wall and killed them all while they wiped my party. It was great.
Do you have the spider slippers?
No. So I actually died early in the campaign, and I got I don't remember what our DM called it, but it's basically like a death ability where I have floppy bones and I can climb walls and ceilings.
Floppy bones.
Damn, floppy bones.
Floppy Bones saved the day.
Tell me that's your character's name now too, right? Floppy Bones.
No.
It should be.
I am super uncreative, so
Trying to be like playing the video game
Hey,
and
let's
calling
have
that she
Scrawl
should
and
go
Widow and
project.
Harms on junk.
Hey,
I'm not very creative, so my character name actually just came from a random character name generator.
all right,
Has been
let's
you want-
have free DPS right, watching right flanks and that alley dive. Well, why don't we start together on the Griffins? Anna, where do you want to be?
I'm gonna start right behind you in the tunnel, and if they go Griffins, I'm rotating to balloons.
Got it.
I have a trap on our stairs.
Excellent.
I'm playing back high ground, right side.
Noted.
One. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
They have monkey.
I'm trying to catch your tail.
They have
have
balls.
ball.
Ball.
Moira ball.
Balls at statue.
They have
I
Genji.
just
Pharah.
killed a
Lucio.
Pharah.
Huge.
Ball.
Got
Right on
monkey.
ball. He's
Ball sleeping in the
He's on
tunnel.
Griffins. He's sleeping. He's one. He's. Where is he?
He
He's
popped
gotta
his
be, like,
shields. He's
I
going
think
in.
They're
He's
coming
coming
back
around
out.
back a point.
Don't chase him.
I'm already chasing him. Sorry, he's on balloons.
Pulling back just a little bit.
I'm on
here.
shit.
All right, I'm letting him go.
Okay, I'm with you. Genji's on
Like
top.
Genji?
Griffin.
Scrawl trying to get a sight. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
I'm on
on.
Moira. Moira is no fade at choke.
She's going right. I'm going to meet her.
There's the ball.
She's
Yeah,
mid.
I'm on ball. I'm on ball. I'm on ball.
Ball.
He's
They
trapped.
have
He's
Widow?
trapped. He's trapped. He's trapped. He's dead.
Nice.
Good
Crap,
job.
holy shit.
I'm on monkey.
Monkey,
He
kill
just
this monkey.
No dive.
So
He's stuck.
so overextended.
Here, pushing him to our widow. Good job. Good job, guys. All right, pushing up a little bit. I'm gonna get him from this
You
side.
don't have any heals. You don't have any heals.
Get there, widow. All right, pulling back. Pulling
Moira,
back.
Moira.
Behind me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm around statue. Great. Awesome.
All right.
All right, ball coming
Ball's
from
gonna
one
reset.
Ball
side.
point.
Healing back. Healing the ball. Good job. Good job. All right, pushing back up.
Stay
Restage.
the Widow. Watch sight lines.
There's a widow by statue. She's one.
Yeah, Moira's at main.
Widow has walls. I'm low.
Genji's behind us. There's several of them in this hall.
I need
I'll just use
space
heals.
on
Hog
low.
no hook.
Reloading. I'm
I'm
reloading.
Thank you. I'm on
I
ball.
got.
Didn't get heals left.
Yeah, I can't get you.
All right, so back. Get to point.
I'm kind of lagging for some reason.
Their widow's body shot. Genji on me.
Ball sleeping.
Healing.
Ball purple. Ball dead.
Be together. Be together.
Hog on left.
Keep
Hog left
together.
side.
See you.
Moira right.
Surrender to my will.
Moira's alone right. Moira and Hog right side. Right side.
I'm repositioning.
Got it.
Shit.
Hog no
Hog
hook.
no hook.
I'm low. Hog is
He's
low.
one.
I'm going for it. He's down. Where's the
Widow's
Moira?
right ground. Right side. I am dead too. Genji's on point.
Falling Genji
One
under.
ball.
Ball sleeping again.
Ball
Trap sleeping. I'm on get ball.
Your Ana's down.
All right.
Come on, Genji.
We
Do we have
can-
Lucio's
be
almost
careful,
back.
be careful.
Lucio's
We need to
almost
get on
back.
Lucio. All right.
Lucio's back.
Max heals.
On
Mid,
Lucio.
mid, thank you. Max heals. All right, get this Lucio. He's low. Huge.
On
Moira. Moira low, no fade.
Come on, Genji.
Going for. Hog is pushing up mid. Ball's coming back in. Peeling back just
Moira
a bit.
coming back up. She's
Anna,
half.
come heal me. Hi, Anna. Thank you.
There's a. There she's down.
Monkey's down.
I'm super low. I'm super low. Okay, thank you.
On Hog. Oh, sorry. I'm
With you.
gonna push him in where?
Widow's main. I
Leave
can't.
it
Push him into Widow. Push him into Widow sightline.
He's
All right,
safe.
peeling
I'm getting
back.
back.
Get out. Get out.
No hook.
Too
No
much.
hook.
Why are we
We don't
doing
need the
hogs, guys?
space.
He's out.
No, I was letting him go.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Nice pick, Straw. I like this position. They can
Ball's behind. Ball's behind on siege tank. Ball purple.
coming
Ball
behind.
coming left side.
Ball minefielded.
On Bally's anti. He's
No hook.
Here's on me.
Super low.
You're down your widow. Or
Left,
you're
left.
Ana, excuse me, down your Ana.
Slaps in. Get onto our Lucio. I'm gonna bomb when they get to point. Here, get around. Get into this corner.
Lucio's one hit.
Hog is no hook.
I'm gonna die to
Jamming.
this.
I'm bombing.
They just dived me in the back. Genji, Moira behind. Back left.
I'm on him.
Hog is no hook.
They're on his back in like 20
We're gonna
minutes.
be booping this Genji. Control this Genji if we can. He's
Come on, Genji.
blading. Help with his blade. I'm low, I'm almost out of mech. Hog is no hook. Ball's
Is this
getting around
winnable?
us. No. I'm dying in point.
That point.
Hey, hell of a stall. Alright, we're setting up for second point then. Get all the way back if you're not in. Get into street.
Okay, reset
How do you
second,
keep
reset
doing
second.
that?
Loss. Stop the payload.
Is anybody shit spawned? Here, coming for you.
Wolf mid. He's underneath us right now.
I'm on bridge.
I'm on Nexus.
Whoa,
No
surprise
line
hook
of
through
sight.
the ball.
I'm on ball. I'm on this ball.
Genji's up top as well.
Louise one.
Alright, can you help with the Genji? Zero?
Yep, going for Genji.
Alright.
With
our
you?
DPS is down in the lane. Okay, I'm keeping that
Letting
in
him go.
mind.
He's off of the tank. Ooh, Hog's coming tank. Nope, he's decided better of it. Moira's behind him. He might decide to push through again. Yep, here he is. No hook. I'm getting out.
Alright, I'm taking mid here.
Fire's
I'm
hooking.
bot. I need heals. Can you see me, Anna?
I can
Ball's
now.
running
Balls
away, he's
one,
low.
balls one.
Need
He
to
was
know
one
where
on
you
cart.
are. We lost our widow.
He's dead.
Moreno fade.
Moira no fade. I'm on low ground right now.
I can't hear you up
I
there.
feel
I'm being
low
killed by
ground.
the Moira
Contesting.
backline.
I'm on the hog. Hog has no
I'm with
hook.
you.
I need big heals.
Genji left. I'm on him. He's
Push
dead.
back from the hog. Alright,
Farah's gonna have ult. Ball has ult.
Fight.
Contest. I'm on Farah. Farah's dead.
I'm down.
Hog's just Hog on cart. And Moira. And Ball.
Coming in with Nano. If I can
Need to
get
play
you.
tighter.
Don't have line of sight. Don't have line of sight.
Ball's trap, ball's trap, ball's
sleeping.
trap.
And trap.
Thank you.
Melee back. I have bomb.
Shooting
Alright,
hog.
I'm tiring.
I'm DMing your tire to get in.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was my fault.
No,
Genji
no,
behind. Genji on your honor.
Pulling back. I'm here.
Yeah, he's not actually hitting me, so I'm just ignoring him.
He's hitting me though.
We don't need heals.
I was standing behind you. Okay,
Alright.
resetting high ground.
I'm going on pylon terrace if I can.
Okay.
I
Keeping
just
an eye
looked
on
at
tank.
it because I have.
I have a trap on stairs. I hear Genji coming up top.
Alright,
He
Line
may
on
have
it
reset.
is-
I don't see him.
Oh, Farah!
Using sight.
I'm on
Genji
fair.
trap. Farah's one.
She did.
She's dead.
Whoa! Hamster
Alright, I'm
sleeping.
on this
Back
flank.
line.
I'm on right. Or no, actually, Monkey, you get on flank. You cleave this. I see that there's a hog though. Watch
Flank.
that.
Your Ana's on the low ground
Here.
again.
I see you.
Alright,
I'm
notice
hopping
pulling back
low.
to our Ana.
I'm coming back up.
I'm
I'm
low.
coming back up, but I need.
I'm low on cart.
Can't help you. Fuck.
Getting Lucio heals.
Lucio down here.
On pylon.
I'm contesting the hog. I'm low. I'm still super low.
Where the fuck are you?
I'm
You?
on
Oh,
cart.
you're on baby. Okay.
On
I'm
ball.
on baby. Monkey,
Ball
you're main tank.
I'm
Where are we
primaling.
going?
I'm on Moira.
This hog is low.
Far's on bridge.
Oh, coming to Hog. Oh, there was a beat.
Up. Genji was behind
On
the lead.
Lucio.
Genji behind
Lucio's one.
still.
Getting back into mech.
Hog sleeping.
They're pushing.
Winnable.
Hog hooked me. I'm dead.
Genji's
Collapse.
low.
Use our Lucio for heals.
Is it winnable?
Cart.
Has been.
We can still bleed. We got.
Very good. Only 34
We
seconds.
got
I'm coming with Nano.
spawn advantage. Huge spawn advantage.
Baby BB. Monkey, you're it. You're main
He's
tank.
bleeding. I'm about to die.
Genji.
Oh,
I'm eating up minefield though. I can't.
Oh,
Down. I stepped into it. I feel that feels.
feels bad.
Just die on point.
Dying point reset for third. Or reset for third now. No dying on point. Just reset for third.
Yes, reset. Get this ball in our back line.
He's one.
Left. You left. You left. You left.
One.
Got him.
There, he's dead. Nice.
Dagger. Alright, let's set up. Gonna be positioned up here. I like you there, Siru.
Nice draw. Nice work.
Alright, and Widow's in a good spot.
Genji's in the back. I'm going for him.
Genji's on me again.
Hog is no hook.
He's running
help.
lap.
Do you need help? Do you need help?
I got him back. I got him back.
Deflect.
Okay.
He's dead.
Ball point.
Hog no hook.
Okay.
High ground.
3 steps
Slow.
back, Diva, please.
Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hog going right.
On ball.
Ball sleeping again. Down.
Hog underneath you.
On Lucio, he's
With
one.
Farah.
Nope, peeling back, going back.
With you.
I'm finishing off Hog.
Your Ana's dead.
Ana.
You're good.
Our Ana's better. Here,
On
group
Farah.
up. Group up.
I'm with you.
Our Lucio. Lucio heals on Lucio. Lucio needs big heals. Use cover best you can. There's a lot of damage happening here. Alright, save shield. I'm on Lucio.
Genji, high ground.
Alright, getting out of here. I'm out of it.
Nice.
Surround. Okay, I'm dead.
Moira, Lucio, our right side. I feel like I've lost you, monkey.
Yep.
Communicate,
Back.
please. Coming back.
Lucio's down.
on
Genji
left.
down.
On Farah. Farah.
I'm on
on
ball.
run.
I'm on ball. I'm on ball. I'm on ball. He's low.
Down. I'm coming back
Down,
for the ball.
Hog is still hooked, right?
On Hog.
I'm on
Hog.
hog. I'm on hog. You watch it with the hog. He'll get you.
I can't follow you there. Can't follow you there.
Noted.
Falling
Falling back.
falling back.
Hog's still
Alright, I'm
one.
just gonna sit on the payload.
Genji, high ground left. I'm on him. Oh, nice. Fucking bomb. I got nothing to clean.
Support's on
Okay,
her.
1 point.
Ah, Far's low ground right
I'm on
side.
Moira.
Far's above point.
Coming.
Got her.
Nice shot.
Good job. On
Moira
Moira,
one,
she's
no
one.
fade. Ah,
DMing. Nice. Sleep. Huge sleep.
And he's on the back line again. I got hooked. And he's on a D.
On hog. I need heals. Big heals. I'm on. Monkey, you're main tank.
I'm in. I'm on Genji. Genji's down. Let's
Need heals?
play this
Thank
corner
you.
here. Take cover. Bomb on
He's
ball.
trapped.
Stairs down. Ball
Burn
sleeping.
ball. Burn ball. Nice.
Oh, I'm down.
Test cart. Get test cart.
I'm coming back. Dive stay on that side. Taking right. Free DPS. Get opposite angle. I'm
Heal your Ana.
Kill the Moira.
I'm on Moira.
Moira no fade.
Moira, no
Yeah,
fade.
Moira. Hog no hook.
She's dead. I'm on Lucio. Oh, nice. Lucio's one. Ah, shit. Ball on point. Lucio on point.
Lucio as well.
Even no tanks collapse on each other.
Lucio's trapped. Right side.
Coming back
He's
with
dead.
Primal.
On my way back. Get back.
The ball.
He's
Still
trapped. Tracer. Watch mines.
Points around. Runner can. Watch the Tracer. I'm on Tracer.
Moira. Moira's one.
Tracer's on our back line. She's low.
No
Tracer
fade.
down.
Moira's
DMing
down.
the Farah. DMing the Farah. She's
Farah.
She's
Farah
dead.
down. Good job. Nice.
Good job. We
I
would've
feel like I
held
did a
them on
terrible
first.
job pairing.
All three of those.